Meaning of idée fixe.
Idée fixe.
Idée fixe.
Idée fixe.
Idée fixe. Idée fixe is a French term that refers to a persistent and obsessive idea, thought, or desire that dominates a person's mind and behavior. It is often used to describe a fixation or preoccupation that is difficult to shake off. People with idées fixes may find themselves repeatedly dwelling on the same topic or engaging in certain behaviors compulsively. The term was first used in the 19th century by French psychiatrist Jean-Étienne Esquirol to describe patients with persistent delusions. Today, it is commonly used in psychology to describe a range of conditions, such as obsessive-compulsive disorder and addiction, where individuals are plagued with an uncontrollable urge or obsession.